If you are unable to discover your player IP address via the mood controller, you can find the player IP address using the player's audio outputs. The player IP address is used to access the online control panel and control your Pandora for Business music. You may want to perform this process after hours, as the player IP address will broadcast on your sound system. Plug in and turn on your Pandora for Business player. If you have a Pandora for Business player that says Pro Fusion I/O on the side, connect the included USB Wi-Fi adapter. Even if you are not planning to connect your player to a Wi-Fi network, you will need the adapter for the initial player activation. Plug in your Pandora for Business player audio outputs to your sound system. Using a paperclip, press and hold the reset button on the back of the player for 2 seconds. Do not hold it longer than 2 seconds, as doing so could cause a device reset. After 2 seconds, you will hear the IP address broadcasted over your sound system. Repeat the process if you need to hear the IP address again. You may also hear a second Wi-Fi IP address. Use the first address for initial setup. If you have already configured your player for Wi-Fi, use the second address. On a computer, laptop, or tablet, enter the IP address on your preferred web browser and hit enter. Enter the default username, admin, and password 23646, and select login. Your browser will be directed to the online control panel for your player. Bookmark the online control panel page on your preferred web browser for faster access in the future, or be sure to keep the player IP address handy, as this unique number is how you will access the online control panel to control your Pandora for Business music.